Mae Co-operative Cartrefi Cymru yn co-op o amlranddeiliad di-elw sy'n cefnogi pobl ag aneblyddau dysgu yng Nghymru i arwain bywydau cyflawn yn y cartref ac yn y gymuned. Rydym yn crynhoi ei gweithgareddau gyda 3 gair: parch, diogelu a galluogi. Y rhan orau o fod yn co-op yw pobl y rydym yn ei cefnogi. Gweithwyr a chefnogwyr cymunedol yn dod at ei gilydd yn gyfartal.
Well, I think the co-op's a really good opportunity for service users, for staff, for the community at large to get together on something really positive and bring all those talents and all those ideas that different people have and just bring them all together for the good of all of us, really. I just think it's a really exciting way of moving forward.
Remember how he goes on?
Yeah.
All right. Snag the handle, fold him down. No, other way.
That way.
Yeah, fold him forward.
Yn 2017, daeth Cartrefi Cymru yn gydweithfa amlranddeiliad gyda gymroddiad cyfansoddiadol i rannu pŵer ac adeiladu cymuned.
I think it might excite people to join the cooperative by giving people a vote, to be able to do what they like as a community, to make people get together and enjoy themselves as a whole rather than as doing things individually.
Have you enjoyed yourself today, John?
Yes, I have.
And are you going to make more planters like this?
Yeah, I'll put them in the community.
To brighten the place up a bit?
Yeah.
What do you enjoy about it?
Doing the gardening bit.
Cenhadaeth Cartrefi yw galluogi pobl i fwynhau bywydau cyflawn fel aelodau gwerthfawr o'n cymunedau yng Nghymru. Darparu'r cefnogaeth orau fel bod pobl yn cyflawni'r canlyniadau gorau yw'r peth sy'n rhoi'r barter mwyaf i ni.
How are you involved in making your community a better place?
I help with the shoebox peel and I do shopping project.
And do you feel as a co-op member you have more of a say in the way you are supported by Cartrefi?
I would say how I'm supported and what I want to do.
As a co-op member, I do, yes. I think I have a say in how events and the co-op is run. Today really says it all that everybody wants to get involved. We're doing the shoebox appeal for the Women's Refuge in Pontypridd. We've all been involved in bringing various gifts in, filling the bags for women as well as children.
I love the fact that I am currently a co-chair of our local cooperative. I love how we are now able to appreciate that both staff and people that we support are able to have a voice and to voice their opinions to the company as a whole.
And this is where the cooperative can come to the fore to help in the community. People need to talk. Everybody has a voice, irrespective of who they are, and I think that voice is very important.
The decision making that affects you, I think, is very important to be involved in something like the co-op. It means that people we support can get out into the community more, have more of a presence, and I think that's very important today.
I'm involved in with the bags, and also I've been making the snowman and the reindeers.
So you like working with other people?
Yeah.
The group we run is called Flyers, where we produce various printed merchandise. We run a social enterprise with people we support, and we bring them together in a work environment and also in a social environment, so they're able to get together in groups, they share experiences.
So I think being a member of the co-op yourself, I think, is key. And then kind of being an active member of it, then realising that the sky's the limit, really. You know, if you can think it, if you can get other people enthused and interested in doing it, then you can do it. So I think that's really what involvement means for me, you know.
Fe'i sefydlwyd yn 1989 gan grŵp o rieni a gweithredwyr. Mae nod Cartrefi Cymru wedi bod a bydd yn parhau i roi'r darparwr cymorth blaengar i Gymru wledig a'r cymoedd. Felly, gall pobl ag aneblyddau dysgu, awtistiaeth, aneblyddau corfforol ac ymddygiad heriol fwynhau eu hawliau a'i rhyddid o fewn y gymuned ac yn eu cartrefiau hunain. Co-operative Cartrefi Cymru ydym ni.